Hello everyone, this is Sukh Chahal from Mayfield Toyota. Today I'd like to introduce you with this beautiful looking SUV. So this is a 2020 4Runner TRD off-road package. So this is a real authentic off-road vehicle, SUV. So this is 2020 Toyota 4Runner off-road package, right? Comes with a 4-liter V6 engine. This 4-liter V6 engine is a naturally aspirated engine which produces 270 horsepower with 5-speed automatic transmission. So if we talk about the features on this particular package, so this package comes with 17-inch TRD off-road aluminum alloy wheels, comes with the fog lamps, comes with the hood scoop, it comes with the running boards, it comes with a black painted roof rails. It comes with smart key with a push button start, so you can touch the door handle to lock or unlock the doors if the keys are with you. This 4Runner also comes standard with the Toyota Safety Sense, which is pre-collision system with a pedestrian detection, auto high beam lights, dynamic radar cruise control, and it comes with the lane departure alert. So if we talk about the interiors now, so it comes with the Softex seats, Softex black Softex leather seats, comes with the power seat with the driver's side lumbar support, comes with the heated side mirrors, Bluetooth, backup camera, front seats are heated. So let's get in and then I'll show you some more features. So if we talk about the interior in this particular package, so this package is a beautiful looking trim inside. Like if you see on the steering wheel, it has a nice piano finish interior. If you see around the entertainment system, there is a piano finish around the corners. It looks beautiful. So this package comes with your Bluetooth, your backup camera, front seats are heated, and this package also comes with a nice 8-inch touchscreen display with the embedded navigation. This package, so dual zone automatic climate control in this package. And if you see there on the top, it comes with the crawl control and multi-terrain select. It comes with the rear differential lock, so which prevents the spinning of the wheels if your rear wheels are stuck in a ditch or on a slippery surface, so it prevents your wheel from spinning. And it comes with the active traction control. If your wheels are spinning when you're accelerating on a slippery surface, it prevents the spinning of the wheels. So if we talk about the 4-wheel drive system in this vehicle, this package comes with a part-time 4-wheel drive, so you can drive your vehicle in the 2-wheel drive, which is rear wheel drive. So this one has a H2, means if you're driving in the rear wheel drive. H4, you can use it in 4-wheel drive when you are driving your vehicle on a icy road conditions to give you the better traction, better handling on the snowy roads. So this, if we go for low 4 position, that is if you're stuck up somewhere in the snow, if you're hard pulling in the sand or deep snow, you can use this L4 position. You can drive in low 4 position to give you the better power and maximum traction. So if we see it here, these 3 buttons, you can use it to hook up your garage doors right with the vehicle. And for the power moonroof, these are the 2 buttons. You can slide your moonroof from this button, and you can tilt up your the moonroof from the back from these buttons. And if you see there's a SOS button, this is a Safety Connect. This service is free for 1 year. It's a 1 year free subscription from Toyota. So this SOS includes the automatic collision notification, right? It includes your enhanced roadside assistance, and it also includes the vehicle stolen locator also. So this service is free for 1 year. After that, if you'd like to subscribe, you have to pay every month. So if you have to open the rear hatch glass, you can operate it from this switch. You can make it down. It looks nice. So all the 4Runner packages comes with the towing hitch. Let me show you the cargo area for this vehicle. So this package, this is a 5-passenger TRD off-road package. So a lot of cargo area, a lot of room. So here is the 120 volt power outlet. If you are camping, if you need to hook up your water cooler, you can hook it up here. It's a nice accessory power outlet here. If you have to open the rear glass window, you can open it from here also with these buttons. You can make it down by pushing this button, and with this button you can make it up, all the glass window. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you do have any questions regarding the 4Runner, please feel free to contact me. You can reach me at 780-405-1155. Again, Sukh from Mayfield Toyota, 780-405-1155. Thank you.